Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English podcast where learning English is easy and fun.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Sophia. We're so happy you're here with us today. This is the place for friendly, easy English conversations.
Yes, we want to help you feel confident and comfortable speaking English. Even if you are just starting, we know it can be a little scary sometimes.
It really can, and that's actually what we're talking about today.
That feeling of being a little scared or nervous when you have to talk to people.
Topic overview. Exactly. Our topic is, let's talk about social anxiety. Now, that might sound like a big, difficult phrase, but don't worry. We will explain it in very simple English.
So if your heart beats fast when you meet people, if you feel nervous talking to a new person, this episode is for you. And you are not alone. Many people feel this way in their own language and in English.
So let's learn some simple ways to feel better. So social anxiety. Let's break it down. Social means about people or being with people, like a social event, a party, or a meeting.
Good. And anxiety is a feeling. It's a feeling of worry or nervousness. So social anxiety it's the nervous feeling you get when you are with other people.
Perfect. It's that feeling. Your hands might feel a little cold. Your heart might beat fast. You might think, oh no, what do I say? What if I make a mistake? I feel like that sometimes before I do this podcast.
Really? Me too. So it's a very normal feeling, and for English learners, it can feel even bigger. You are not just talking to people, you are talking in a new language.
Yes. So today we will talk about some simple situations. We will talk about going to work, going to class, and talking to strangers. And we will give you some very short, simple English phrases you can use. Going to work.
Let's start with the first situation, going to work. Sophia, imagine you start a new job. You walk into the office on your first day. How do you feel?
Oh, I feel very nervous. I see many new people. I don't know their names. Everyone is busy. I feel a little alone. That's a common feeling.
So what can you do?
You can use a very small, simple phrase. You can say hello or good morning.
Yes. Hello. It's so simple, but it's powerful. You can say it with a smile. A smile is like a universal hello. And after hello, you can say your name. My name is Sophia, or I'm Mike. Let's practice a little conversation.
Okay. Good morning. You must be the new person. Welcome. Good morning. Yes, my name is Sophia. It's nice to meet you, Sophia. I'm Mike. It's nice to meet you, too. See, that was a very short, simple conversation. Only 4 lines, but it's a great start. You don't need to give a big speech.
Going to class. Now, let's talk about the second situation. Going to class. Maybe you are in an English class. You see the other students. You want to talk to them, but you feel nervous.
This is a great place to practice. Everyone in the class is also learning. They probably feel nervous too. So, what can you say to the person sitting next to you? You can ask a simple question. Questions are very good for starting a conversation. You can ask about the class. For example, is this the English class? Yes, even if you know it is the English class, it's an easy way to start talking. Another good question is, excuse me, is this seat free? Meaning, can I sit here? Let's try another small conversation. Mike, you are a student in the class. I will sit next to you. Okay, hello. Is this seat free? Yes, it is. Thank you. My name is Sophia.
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
You can ask a simple question. Questions are very good for starting a conversation. You can ask about the class. For example, is this the English class? Yes, even if you know it is the English class, it's an easy way to start talking. Another good question is, nice to meet you too. The teacher is very nice, I think. Yes, she is. And that's it. The conversation can stop there or it can continue, but you started it. You made a connection, talking to a stranger. Now, the third situation can be the most difficult for many people, talking to a stranger. Maybe you are at a bus stop or in a coffee shop. This is often called small talk. Small talk is a short, friendly conversation about simple things. The weather is a very common topic for small talk in English.
It's true. English people love to talk about the weather. It's not a deep or philosophical conversation. It's just friendly.
So, what can you say? You can look outside and say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? That's a great one. When you say, isn't it? At the end, you're asking for agreement. It's a friendly way to make a comment. The other person will usually just say, yes, it is. Or if it's raining, you can say, it's really raining hard today. Let's do one more small conversation. Sophia, we are both waiting for the bus. Okay, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it is. Perfect for a walk. Yes, I think so too. I hope the bus comes soon.
Me too. See, very simple. You are not asking personal questions like, how old are you? Or how much money do you make? No, no, no. Just simple comments about the situation you are both in. Helpful tips.
Exactly. So we talked about 3 situations, work, class, and strangers, and we have some simple phrases.
But Sophia, what if you are still very nervous? What can you do to feel more comfortable?
That's a very important question, Mike. Let's talk about some tips. Tip number 1, practice small talk. You can practice alone in front of a mirror.
Yes.
Talk to yourself. Say, hello, how are you? To yourself in the mirror. It sounds funny, but it helps your mouth and brain get used to the words. Tip number 2, remember to breathe. When we are nervous, we sometimes forget to breathe. Just take one slow, deep breath. It helps your body relax. I love that. Just breathe. Tip number 3, your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to connect. People want to be friendly. They will understand if your English is not perfect. A small mistake is okay. Yes, don't worry about mistakes. We all make them. I still make mistakes in English sometimes. No, Sophia, not you. Yes, me. It's true. So be kind to yourself. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes that A1 learners make. These are small things, and if you know them, you can feel more confident. The first common mistake is with the question, how are you? Many learners answer with, I am fine, which is correct, but a little formal. Native speakers often say shorter, more casual things like, I'm good, not bad, or even pretty good. So if someone says, how are you? You can try saying, I'm good, thanks. It sounds very natural. Another common mistake is not using short answers. For example, if someone asks you, is this your bag? You can say, yes, or yes, it is. You don't always need to say the full sentence, yes, this is my bag. A short answer is often more natural. Good point. So, yes, it is, or no, it isn't, are perfect. Practice and recap. Okay, we have given you a lot of information. Let's do a quick recap. Let's practice the key phrases together. Great idea. We'll say the phrase slowly, then leave a space for you to repeat it. Ready, Mike?
Ready.
First, the basic greetings. Hello. Good morning. My name is... Excellent. Now, phrases from meeting people, it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. Now, questions to start a conversation. Is this seat free? Is this the English class? And finally, some small talk about the weather. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it is. Wonderful, you are doing great. Remember these phrases. You can write them in a notebook. Practice them every day. Yes, practice makes progress. You don't need to be perfect. Just try. Every small conversation is a big victory. Closing. So, that's all for our main topic today. We hope you feel a little better about social anxiety. Remember, it's a normal feeling, and you can manage it with these simple English phrases. We believe in you. Now, it's time to close our show. Yes, thank you so much for listening to the Everyday English podcast. If you like this episode, please tell a friend. Yes, and please help us grow. You can subscribe to our channel on your favorite podcast. That way, you never miss an episode. If you're on YouTube, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the like button, and we love to read your comments. You can write to us. Tell us what makes you feel nervous when speaking English, or tell us about a small conversation you had this week. We read every comment, and we love to hear from you. Your English journey is important to us. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step, or in our case, a small conversation. So keep practicing your English every day, even for 5 minutes. You can do it.